Retan mwen.
Wait for me.
Wait for me.
Vin avem.
Come with me.
Come with me.
Rete avem.
Stay with me.
Stay with me.
Pa kitem.
Don't leave me.
Don't leave me.
Tan pri edem.
Help me, please.
Help me, please.
Padone mwen.
Forgive me.
Forgive me.
Fem konfians.
Trust me.
Trust me.
Kwe mwen.
Believe me.
Believe me.
Mwen manke ou.
I miss you.
I miss you.
Mwen bezwen ou.
I need you.
I need you.
Mwen reme ou.
I love you.
I love you.
Mwen respekte ou.
I respect you.
I respect you.
Mwen fè ou konfians.
I trust you.
I trust you.
Mwen kwe ou.
I believe you.
I believe you.
Relem kounye ya.
Call me now.
Call me now.
Repon mesaj mwen.
Text me back.
Text me back.
Ki jan yo di an Anglè, ki te ma repom.
Leave me alone.
Leave me alone.
Ki te ma repom.
Leave me alone.
Ki jan yo di an Anglè, sis pa nan medem.
Stop bothering me.
Stop bothering me.
Sis pa nan medem.
Stop bothering me.
Ki jan yo di an Anglè, ou depase limit.
You crossed the line.
You crossed the line.
Ou depase limit.
You crossed the line.
Ki jan yo di an Anglè, pa pale avem.
Don't talk to me.
Don't talk to me.
Pa pale avem.
Don't talk to me.
Ki jan yo di an Anglè, rete lwem.
Stay away from me.
Stay away from me.
Rete lwem.
Stay away from me.
Ki jan yo di an Anglè, mwen pa nan bon sam.
I'm not in the mood.
I'm not in the mood.
Mwen pa nan bon sam.
I'm not in the mood.
Ki jan yo di an Anglè, ou fe mwont.
You disappointed me.
You disappointed me.
Ou fe mwont.
You disappointed me.
Ki jan yo di an Anglè, parele manko.
Don't call me again.
Don't call me again.
Parele manko.
Don't call me again.
Ki jan yo di an Anglè, mwen pa ka kwe ou.
I don't believe you.
I don't believe you.
Mwen pa ka kwe ou.
I don't believe you.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, ou brise konfians mwen.
You broke my trust.
You broke my trust.
Ou brise konfians mwen.
You broke my trust.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, mwen pa ka padone ou.
I can't forgive you.
I can't forgive you.
Mwen pa ka padone ou.
I can't forgive you.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, mwen fin explike.
I'm done explaining.
I'm done explaining.
Mwen fin explike.
I'm done explaining.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, sispan bam manti.
Stop lying to me.
Stop lying to me.
Sispan bam manti.
Stop lying to me.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, pa jwe avem.
Don't play with me.
Don't play with me.
Pa jwe avem.
Don't play with me.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, ou detui tout bagay.
You ruined everything.
You ruined everything.
Ou detui tout bagay.
You ruined everything.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, mwen regret mwen te konen ou.
I regret knowing you.
I regret knowing you.
Mwen regret mwen te konen ou.
I regret knowing you.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, ou fem gwo la pen.
You hurt me deeply.
You hurt me deeply.
Ou fem gwo la pen.
You hurt me deeply.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, pa fem pedi tam.
Don't waste my time.
Don't waste my time.
Pa fem pedi tam.
Don't waste my time.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, mwen pa bezwen ou.
I don't need you.
I don't need you.
Mwen pa bezwen ou.
I don't need you.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, sispan suiv mwen.
Stop following me.
Stop following me.
Sispan suiv mwen.
Stop following me.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, ou fem wont.
You embarrass me.
You embarrass me.
Ou fem wont.
You embarrass me.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, pa gadem.
Don't look at me.
Don't look at me.
Pa gadem.
Don't look at me.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, mwen pa imbesil.
I'm not stupid.
I'm not stupid.
Mwen pa imbesil.
I'm not stupid.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, ou fè m fache.
You make me angry.
You make me angry.
Ou fè m fache.
You make me angry.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, pa voy mesaj ba mako.
Don't text me again.
Don't text me again.
Pa voy mesaj ba mako.
Don't text me again.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, ou tou egois.
You're too selfish.
You are too selfish.
Ou tou egois.
You're too selfish.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, mwen pa respekte ou.
I don't respect you.
I don't respect you.
Mwen pa respekte ou.
I don't respect you.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, sis pan fè semblan.
Stop acting fake.
Stop acting fake.
Sis pan fè semblan.
Stop acting fake.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, ou plen ak manti.
You're full of lies.
You are full of lies.
Ou plen ak manti.
You're full of lies.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, mwen pa vle we ou.
I don't want to see you.
I don't want to see you.
Mwen pa vle we ou.
I don't want to see you.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, pa men lim la dan.
Don't involve me.
Don't involve me.
Pa men lim la dan.
Don't involve me.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, mwen fini ak sa.
I'm done with this.
I'm done with this.
Mwen fini ak sa.
I'm done with this.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, ou pa honet.
You're not honest.
You are not honest.
Ou pa honet.
You're not honest.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, sis pan pretan.
Stop pretending.
Stop pretending.
Sis pan pretan.
Stop pretending.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, mwen pa ka fè ou konfians.
I can't trust you.
I can't trust you.
Mwen pa ka fè ou konfians.
I can't trust you.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, ou tro anmedan.
You're so annoying.
You are so annoying.
Ou tro anmedan.
You're so annoying.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, mwen bouke, mwen gen ase.
I've had enough.
I've had enough.
Mwen bouke, mwen gen ase.
I've had enough.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, parele sou mwen.
Don't shout at me.
Don't shout at me.
Parele sou mwen.
Don't shout at me.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, ou pa souciye pou mwen.
You don't care about me.
You don't care about me.
Ou pa souciye pou mwen.
You don't care about me.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, sispan chèche eskiz.
Stop making excuses.
Stop making excuses.
Sispan chèche eskiz.
Stop making excuses.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, mwen santi m trahi.
I feel betrayed.
I feel betrayed.
Mwen santi m trahi.
I feel betrayed.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, ou pa jam koute.
You never listen.
You never listen.
Ou pa jam koute.
You never listen.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, mwen prale kounye ya.
I'm leaving now.
I'm leaving now.
Mwen prale kounye ya.
I'm leaving now.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, patan mwen.
Don't wait for me.
Don't wait for me.
Patan mwen.
Don't wait for me.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, ou pa vou la pen.
You're not worth it.
You are not worth it.
Ou pa vou la pen.
You're not worth it.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, mwen pap toune.
I'm not coming back.
I'm not coming back.
Mwen pap toune.
I'm not coming back.
Men ki jan pou abone ak chanel la bien fasil. Peze sou subscribe, apre peze sou all ou bien tout, a chak fwa nou la gon video pou ka jwen ni. Ki jan ou di an Anglais, ou perdi m pou toutan.
You lost me forever.
You lost me forever.
Ou perdi m pou toutan.
You lost me forever.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, mwen pa bezwen edou.
I don't need your help.
I don't need your help.
Mwen pa bezwen edou.
I don't need your help.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, ou pa anye pou mwen.
You're nothing to me.
You are nothing to me.
Ou pa anye pou mwen.
You're nothing to me.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, pa pousse m.
Don't push me.
Don't push me.
Pa pousse m.
Don't push me.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, mwen pa ka we ou.
I can't stand you.
I can't stand you.
Mwen pa ka we ou.
I can't stand you.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, ou bam degoutans.
You make me sick.
You make me sick.
Ou bam degoutans.
You make me sick.
Ki jan ou di an Anglais, mwen fini ave ou.
I'm done with you.
I'm done with you.
Mwen fini ave ou.
I'm done with you.
Ki jan ou di an Anglè, pa mayem.
Don't touch me.
Don't touch me.
Pa mayem.
Don't touch me.
Ki jan ou di an Anglè, pa melem nan sa.
Don't drag me into this.
Don't drag me into this.
Pa melem nan sa.
Don't drag me into this.
Ki jan ou di an Anglè, mwen ray ou an pil.
I hate you a lot.
I hate you a lot.
Mwen ray ou an pil.
I hate you a lot.
Ki jan ou di an Anglè, mba fè ou konfians anko.
I don't trust you anymore.
I don't trust you anymore.
Mba fè ou konfians anko.
I don't trust you anymore.
Ki jan ou di an Anglè, ou pa bli cham chanje.
You never change.
You never change.
Ou pa bli cham chanje.
You never change.
Ki jan ou di an Anglè, mwen bouke ak manti ou yo.
I'm tired of your lies.
I'm tired of your lies.
Mwen bouke ak manti ou yo.
I'm tired of your lies.
Ki jan yo di an Anglè, sispon sa kounye a. Stop it now. Stop it now. Stop it now. Stop it now. Ki jan yo di an Anglè, kite man repom. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Ki jan yo di an Anglè, pa pale avem. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. Ki jan yo di an Anglè, mwen fache an pil. I am so mad. I am so mad. I am so mad. I am so mad. Ki jan yo di an Anglè, ou fem fache. You make me angry. You make me angry. You make me angry. You make me angry. Ki jan yo di an Anglè, mwen pa reme sa. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Ki jan yo di an Anglè, fè silans. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet. Ki jan yo di an Anglè, sa sifi. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Ki jan yo di an Anglè, soti deyo. Get out. Get out. Get out. Get out. Ki jan yo di an Anglè, mwen pa ka sipote sa. I can't stand it. I can't stand it. I can't stand it. I can't stand it. Ki jan yo di an Anglè, mwen rayi sa. I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. Ki jan yo di an Anglè, mwen pa respekte yo. I don't respect you. I don't respect you. I don't respect you. Ki jan yo di an anglais, sa stupide. This is stupid. This is stupid. This is stupid. This is stupid. Ki jan yo di an anglais, ou malèdve. You are rude. You are rude. You are rude. You are rude. Ki jan yo di an anglais, mwen pa fè ou konfians. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. I don't trust you. Ki jan yo di an anglais, ou pa anyen. You are nothing. You are nothing. You are nothing. You are nothing. Ki jan yo di an anglais, sa se fatra. This is trash. This is trash. This is trash. This is trash. Ki jan yo di an anglais, ou fem degoute ou. You make me sick. You make me sick. You make me sick. You make me sick. Ki jan yo di an anglais, mwen pa vle ou. I don't want you. I don't want you. I don't want you. I don't want you. Ki jan yo di an anglais, ferme bouche ou. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Ki jan yo di an anglais, ale loin. Go away. Go away. Go away. Go away. Ki jan yo di an anglais, ou sot. You are stupid. You are stupid. You are stupid. Ki jan yo di an anglais, sa va gadem. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Ki jan yo di an anglais, deplase kounye a. Move now. Move now. Move now. Move now. Ki jan yo di an anglais, pa manyem. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Ki jan yo di an anglais, rentre nan sa ki gade ou. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. Mind your own business. Ki jan yo di an anglais, ou paresse. You are lazy. You are lazy. You are lazy. You are lazy. Ki jan yo di an anglais, se problem ou. That's your problem. That's your problem. Ki jan yo di an anglais, ale loin. Get lost. Get lost. Ki jan yo di an anglais, pa gadem. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Ki jan yo di an anglais, deplaso sou chemem. Move out of my way. 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 Ki jan yo di an anglais, ou inutile. You are useless. You are useless. You are useless. You are useless. Ki jan yo di an anglais, ferme bouchou epi deplase. Shut up and leave. Shut up and leave. Shut up and leave. Shut up and leave. Ki jan yo di an anglais, mwen ray you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. Ki jan yo di an anglais, ale nan anfe. Go to hell. Go to hell. Ki jan yo di an anglais, ou se yon imbécile. You are a fool. You are a fool. You are a fool. You are a fool. Ki jan yo di an anglais, ou deranje m. You annoy me. You annoy me. You annoy me. You annoy me. Ki jan yo di an anglais, mwen pa vle ou isi ya. I don't want you here. 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 Ki jan yo di an anglais, ou bam degoutans. You disgust me. You disgust me. You disgust me. You disgust me. Ki jan yo di an anglais, ale loin, pedan. Go away, loser. Go away, loser. Ki jan yo di an anglais, pa pale avem anko. Don't talk to me again. 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 Ki jan yo di an anglais, ou pa gen oken vale. You are worthless. You are worthless. You are worthless. You are worthless. Ki jan yo di an anglais, mwen fini ave ou. I am done with you. 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 Ki jan yo di an anglais, suspend fixe. Stop stirring. Stop stirring. Ki jan yo di an anglais, ou se yon mante. You are a liar. You are a liar. You are a liar. You are a liar. Ki jan yo di an anglais, pa ranse avem. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. Ki jan yo di an anglais, ou ridicule. You are ridiculous. You are ridiculous. You are ridiculous. You are ridiculous. Ki jan yo di an anglais, soti kounye ya. Leave now. Leave now. Ki jan yo di an anglais, mwen pa ka we ou. I can't stand you. I can't stand you. I can't stand you. I can't stand you. Comment yo di en anglais pa fè anyen? Don't do anything. Don't do anything. Don't do anything. Comment yo di en anglais pa fè sa? Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Comment yo di en anglais fè sa kounye a? Do it now. Do it now. Do it now. Comment yo di en anglais prends ça? Take this. Take this. Take this. Comment yo di en anglais suspend ou bien camper? Stop. Stop. Comment yo di en anglais bouger ou déplacer? Move. Move. Comment yo di en anglais quitter monsieur ou bien laisser monsieur? Leave him. Leave him. Leave him. Comment yo di en anglais dépêcher ou bien faire rapide? Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. Comment yo di en anglais ban mwen ou bien bam? Give me. Give me. Give me. Comment yo di en anglais lever camper? Get up. Get up. Get up. Get up. Comment yo di en anglais chita? Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Comment yo di en anglais manger ça? Eat this. Eat this. Eat this. Comment yo di en anglais tendez ça? Listen to this. Listen to this. Listen to this. Comment yo di en anglais vin ici? Come here. Come here. Come here. Comment yo di en anglais rete là? Stay there. Stay there. Stay there. Comment yo di en anglais fais ça rapide? Do it quickly. Do it quickly. Do it quickly. Comment yo di en anglais suive-moi? Follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Comment yo di en anglais tan ici ya? Wait here. Wait here. Wait here. Comment yo di en anglais pas bouger? Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Comment yo di en anglais pas inquiété ou? Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. Comment yo di en anglais fais ça ou vle? Do what you want. Do what you want. Do what you want. Comment yo di en anglais pas timide? Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Don't be shy. Comment yo di en anglais vin rapide? Come quickly. Come quickly. Come quickly. Come quickly. Comment yo dit en anglais rete ici? Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Comment yo dit en anglais vini kounye? Come now. Come now. Come now. Come now. Comment yo dit en anglais rete calme? Stay calm. Stay calm. Stay calm. Comment yo dit en anglais fais attention? Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Comment yo dit en anglais camper ça? Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Stop that. Comment yo dit en anglais font titan? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Comment yo dit en anglais pas inquiéto pour ça? Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about that. Comment yo dit en anglais fais le jan vle ya? Do as you please. Do as you please. Do as you please. Do as you please. Comment yo dit en anglais pas embarrassé? Don't be embarrassed. Don't be embarrassed. Don't be embarrassed. Comment yo dit en anglais pas crier? Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. Comment yo dit en anglais pas parler? Don't talk. Don't talk. Don't talk. Don't talk. Don't talk. Comment yo dit en anglais mwen fè ou confiance? I trust you. I trust you. I trust you. I trust you. Comment yo dit en anglais mwen kwe ou? I believe you. 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 Comment yo dit en anglais tout bagay en forme? Everything is alright. Everything is alright. Everything is alright. Comment yo dit en anglais ki sa ye? What is this? What is this? What is this? Comment yo dit en anglais m'pa konnen? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Mwen pa konnen. Comment yo dit en anglais na ki peyi ou sorti? Which country are you from? 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 Comment yo dit en anglais mwen sorti Haiti? I am from Haiti. I am from Haiti. I'm from Haiti. Comment yo dit en anglais, moi pas comprendre? I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. Comment yo dit en anglais, moi comprendre? I understand. I understand. I understand. Comment yo dit en anglais, ou capable faire? You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Comment yo dit en anglais, moi là? I'm here. I'm here. I am here. I'm here. Moi là. Comment yo dit en anglais, mais moi? Here I am. Here I am. Here I am. Here I am. Comment yo dit en anglais, prends patience? Be patient. Be patient. Be patient. Comment yo dit en anglais, retournez plus tard? Come back later. Come back later. Come back later. Comment yo dit en anglais, rete avec moi? Stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. Comment yo dit en anglais, m'pa reme ça? I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. Comment yo dit en anglais, pas traiter m comme ça? Don't treat me like that. Don't treat me like that. Don't treat me like that. Comment yo dit en anglais, ça fait longtemps? It's been a long time. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. Comment yo dit en anglais, ça c'est coupao? It's your turn. Ça c'est coupao. It's your turn. It's your turn. Comment yo dit en anglais, qui koto pour aller? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Comment yo dit en anglais, moi pral acheter yon bagay? I'm going to buy something. I'm going to buy something. I am going to buy something. I'm going to buy something. Comment yo dit en anglais, rele la police? Call the police. Call the police. Call the police. Call the police. Comment yo dit en anglais, rele ambulance? Call the ambulance. Call the ambulance. Call the ambulance. Call the ambulance. Comment yo dit en anglais, est-ce que c'est vrai? Is it true? Is it true? Is it true? Is it true? Comment yo dit en anglais, pomme vérité? Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Comment yo dit en anglais, ou gen raison? You are right. Ou gen raison? You are right. Comment yo dit en anglais, ou gen tort? You are wrong. You are wrong. You are wrong. Comment yo dit en anglais, pas jamais perdre espoir? Never lose hope. Never lose hope. Never lose hope. Comment yo di en anglais li men lumière? Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Salut.
Hey there.
Salut.
Hey there.
Hey there.
Sak pase.
What's up?
Sak pase.
What's up?
What's up?
Ki jan ou ye?
How's it going?
Ki jan ou ye?
How's it going?
How's it going?
Sa fe lontan nou pa we.
Long time no see?
Sa fe lontan nou pa we.
Long time no see.
Long time no see?
Kontan we ou.
Good to see you.
Kontan we ou.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Sak gen nouvo.
What's new?
Sak gen nouvo.
What's new?
What's new?
Na we pita.
Catch you later.
Na we pita.
Catch you later.
Catch you later.
Pran soin tèt ou.
Take care.
Pran soin tèt ou.
Take care.
Take care.
Na we bientôt.
See you soon.
Na we bientôt.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Pa gen problem.
No worries.
Pa gen problem.
No worries.
No worries.
Sa sonen bien.
Sounds good.
Sa sonen bien.
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
Mwen kompran nou.
I got you.
Mwen kompran nou.
I got you.
I got you.
Sa tro bel.
That's awesome.
Sa genyal.
That's awesome.
That's awesome.
Se pa vre.
No way.
Se pa vre.
No way.
No way.
Vreman?
For real?
Vreman?
For real?
For real?
Mwen pa panse sa.
I don't think so.
Mwen pa panse sa.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
Ekzakteman.
Exactly.
Ekzakteman.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Ou gen rezon.
You're right.
Ou gen rezon.
You're right.
You're right.
Mwen pa tro seten.
I'm not sure.
Mwen pa tro seten.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
Sa fe sens.
That makes sense.
Sa fe sens.
That makes sense.
That makes sense.
An fel.
Let's do it.
An fel.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Mwen sou wout la.
I'm on my way.
Mwen sou wout la.
I'm on my way.
I'm on my way.
Sa depande wou.
It's up to you.
Sa depande wou.
It's up to you.
It's up to you.
Tan yon ti mouman.
Just a sec.
Tan yon ti mouman.
Just a sec.
Just a sec.
Kenbe la.
Hold on.
Kenbe la.
Hold on.
Hold on.
Mwen an fom. Mersi.
I'm good, thanks.
Mwen an fom. Mersi.
I'm good, thanks.
I'm good, thanks.
Mwen apresye sa.
I appreciate it.
Mwen apresye sa.
I appreciate it.
I appreciate it.
Pa gen problem.
No problem.
Pa gen problem.
No problem.
No problem.
Mwen okipe kounye ya.
I'm busy right now.
Mwen okipe kounye ya.
I'm busy right now.
I'm busy right now.
Mwen bezwen yon ti repo.
I need a break.
Mwen bezwen yon ti repo.
I need a break.
I need a break.
Kontinye avanse.
Keep going.
Kontinye avanse.
Keep going.
Keep going.
Rete fo.
Stay strong.
Rete fo.
Stay strong.
Stay strong.
Pa jam abandone.
Never give up.
Pa jam abandone.
Never give up.
Never give up.
Kouè nan tetou.
Believe in yourself.
Kouè nan tetou.
Believe in yourself.
Believe in yourself.
Rete pozitif.
Stay positive.
Rete pozitif.
Stay positive.
Stay positive.
Tout bagay posib.
Anything is possible.
Tout bagay posib.
Anything is possible.
Anything is possible.
Fè pi bon de ou.
Do your best.
Fè pi bon de ou.
Do your best.
Do your best.
Youn pa la fwa.
One step at a time.
Youn pa la fwa.
One step at a time.
One step at a time.
An nou travay.
Let's get to work.
An nou travay.
Let's get to work.
Let's get to work.
Mwen deja sou sa.
I'm on it.
Mwen deja sou sa.
I'm on it.
I'm on it.
Preske fini.
Almost done.
Preske fini.
Almost done.
Almost done.
Se yon bon lide.
That's a great idea.
Se yon bon lide.
That's a great idea.
That's a great idea.
An konsantre.
Let's focus.
An konsantre.
Let's focus.
Let's focus.
Se tan pou travay di.
Time to grind.
Se tan pou travay di.
Time to grind.
Time to grind.
An realize sa.
Let's make it happen.
An realize sa.
Let's make it happen.
Let's make it happen.
Mwen ap travay sou sa.
I'm working on it.
Mwen ap travay sou sa.
I'm working on it.
I'm working on it.
Ki plan?
What's the plan?
Ki plan?
What's the plan?
What's the plan?
An komanse.
Let's get started.
An komanse.
Let's get started.
Let's get started.
Kote nap ale apre?
Where to next?
Kote nap ale apre?
Where to next?
Where to next?
Bon voyage.
Safe travels.
Bon voyage.
Safe travels.
Safe travels.
Bon voyage.
Enjoy your trip.
Bon voyage.
Enjoy your trip.
Enjoy your trip.
An pran wout la.
Let's hit the road.
An pran wout la.
Let's hit the road.
Let's hit the road.
Mwen bezwen vakans.
I need a vacation.
Mwen bezwen vakans.
I need a vacation.
I need a vacation.
Kote sa tro bel.
This place is amazing.
Kote sa tro bel.
This place is amazing.
This place is amazing.
Menem la.
Take me there.
Menem la.
Take me there.
Take me there.
Mwen reme bel vi sa.
I love this view.
Mwen reme bel vi sa.
I love this view.
I love this view.
Men ki jan pou abone ak chanel la bien fasil. Peze sou subscribe, apre peze sou all ou bien tout, a chak fwa nou la gon video pou ka jwen ni. An explore.
Let's explore.
An explore.
Let's explore.
Let's explore.
Se tan pou avanti.
Time for an adventure.
Se tan pou avanti.
Time for an adventure.
Time for an adventure.
Ou ka ede mwen?
Can you help me?
Ou ka ede mwen?
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
Mwen bezwen kek konsey.
I need some advice.
Mwen bezwen kek konsey.
I need some advice.
I need some advice.
Montrem ki jan.
Show me how.
Montrem ki jan.
Show me how.
Show me how.
Ki sa ou panse?
What do you think?
Ki sa ou panse?
What do you think?
What do you think?
Ensegnye mwen.
Teach me.
Ensegnye mwen.
Teach me.
Teach me.
Edem non.
Help me out.
Edem non.
Help me out.
Help me out.
Mwen bezwen opinyon ou.
I need your opinion.
Mwen bezwen opinyon ou.
I need your opinion.
I need your opinion.
An chache solisyon.
Let's figure it out.
An chache solisyon.
Let's figure it out.
Let's figure it out.
Ki sa m dwe fe? Ki sa m dwe fe?
What should I do?
Ki sa m dwe fe?
What should I do?
What should I do?
Mwen pa kompran.
I don't understand.
Mwen pa kompran.
I don't understand.
I don't understand.
An soti ansam.
Let's hang out.
An soti ansam.
Let's hang out.
Let's hang out.
An pale yon ti mouman.
Let's catch up.
An pale yon ti mouman.
Let's catch up.
Let's catch up.
Nou ta dwe we.
We should meet up.
Nou ta dwe we.
We should meet up.
We should meet up.
Ou se pi bon an.
You're the best.
Ou se pi bon an.
You're the best.
You're the best.
Sa te bel an pil.
That was fun.
Sa te bel an pil.
That was fun.
That was fun.
Ekrim non.
Hit me up.
Ekrim non.
Hit me up.
Hit me up.
An detan nou.
Let's chill.
An detan nou.
Let's chill.
Let's chill.
Mwen la pou ou.
I got your back.
Mwen la pou ou.
I got your back.
I got your back.
An kembe kontak.
Stay in touch.
An kembe kontak.
Stay in touch.
Stay in touch.
An fè sa anko.
Let's do this again.
An fè sa anko.
Let's do this again.
Let's do this again.
Rete tranquil.
Chill out.
Rete tranquil.
Chill out.
Chill out.
Ale douceman.
Take it easy.
Ale douceman.
Take it easy.
Take it easy.
Se blag map fè.
Just kidding.
Se blag map fè.
Just kidding.
Just kidding.
Pa gen stres.
No stress.
Pa gen stres.
No stress.
No stress.
Sa foui.
That's crazy.
Sa foui.
That's crazy.
That's crazy.
Mwen pa kwe sa.
I can't believe it.
Mwen pa kwe sa.
I can't believe it.
I can't believe it.
Sa tro komik.
That's hilarious.
Sa tro komik.
That's hilarious.
That's hilarious.
Se l'enerji pozitif.
Good vibes only.
Se l'enerji pozitif.
Good vibes only.
Good vibes only.
An ri sou sa.
Let's laugh about it.
An ri sou sa.
Let's laugh about it.
Let's laugh about it.
Pa pran sa personel.
Don't take it personal.
Pa pran sa personnel.
Don't take it personal.
Don't take it personal.
Nap genyen.
Let's win.
Nap genyen.
Let's win.
Let's win.
Succès sou route.
Success is coming.
Succès sou route.
Success is coming.
Success is coming.
Travay ak intelijans.
Work smart.
Travay ak intelijans.
Work smart.
Work smart.
Kontinye avanse.
Keep pushing.
Kontinye avanse.
Keep pushing.
Keep pushing.
Rete konsantre.
Stay focused.
Rete konsantre.
Stay focused.
Stay focused.
Travay pi di pa jam kampe.
The grind never stops.
Travay pi di pa jam kampe.
The grind never stops.
The grind never stops.
Pense gran.
Dream big.
Pense gran.
Dream big.
Dream big.
An fè l'ajan.
Let's make money.
An fè l'ajan.
Let's make money.
Let's make money.
Rete konsistan.
Stay consistent.
Rete konsistan.
Stay consistent.
Stay consistent.
Danse l'ajan.
Time is money.
Danse l'ajan.
Time is money.
Time is money.
Ekritu ki an noir la, se kreol. Ekritu ki an rouge la, se anglais américain. Ekritu ki an blanc ekri ya, se ekri. Mwen ekri anglais a an kreol. Se jus pou ka li anglais a. Paske mwen dekouvri problem ki fe nou pa ka pale anglais a. Nou intelijan vreman, men nou pa ka li anglais a. Se sa k fe mwen pran tout tam bien prepare sa pou nou ka li tout mot anglais nou we. Al regade video a. Gade lanko. Pran kayo, pran plim. Mete bet sou. You should to speak English like a native speaker. Mwen pran tam, mpreparel pou Haitien, frem sem. Sel servis map mande nou, pataje video sa ak on zami, pataje l nan WhatsApp, pataje l nan group, pataje l sou Messenger, pataje l nan group Facebook yo, pataje video sa tout kote pou Haitien vin apren parler anglais gratis ti chéri. Merci pasko like, merci pasko partage, merci pasko komante. Di nou ki kote wap tande nou pou nou ka kiton salutation pou al gade video anko. Li vreman fréquent.
He is really uncouth.
Li vreman fréquent.
He is really uncouth.
He is really uncouth.
Bon defi pou fè sa anko.
I dare you to do that again.
Bon defi pou fè sa ankor.
I dare you to do that again.
I dare you to do that again.